Walmart is built around delivery and digital perks, while Sam's Club is built around bulk in-store shopping and warehouse pricing. They solve completely different problems, even though both charge a membership fee. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what each membership is good for, where they overlap, and which one actually saves more money, depending on how you shop. Start with Walmart. It focuses on convenience. You get delivery options for groceries and household items, plus in-app perks like scan-and-go shopping, and fuel discounts at participating stations. The entire system is designed so you can shop without spending time in-store. Sam's Club is the opposite. It's a warehouse-style membership where you pay to access bulk pricing. That means you're buying larger quantities at lower per-unit prices. It only makes sense if you have storage space and actually use products in bulk. Now the key difference is how you shop week to week. If most of your spending is small, frequent grocery runs, Walmart fits better. You order what you need, when you need it, and get it delivered or ready for pickup. It removes trips to the store entirely, but you're not optimizing for bulk savings. If you do large shopping trips once or twice a month, Sam's Club is usually stronger. You go in, load up on essentials, and stretch each purchase longer. That's where the savings come from, not from convenience. There's also a big difference in shopping experience. Walmart keeps you inside the Walmart ecosystem through the app. Sam's Club requires either in-store shopping or using their warehouse-style online store, which is more about planning ahead than quick reorders. Another important factor is household size. Smaller households usually benefit more from Walmart because they don't need bulk quantities. Larger families often get more value from Sam's Club because they can actually use what they buy before it expires. Neither membership is universally better. The value depends entirely on whether you prioritize convenience or bulk savings. To wrap it up, Walmart is built for fast, flexible shopping with delivery and app-based perks. Sam's Club is built for bulk buying and lower unit prices. One saves you time, the other saves you money per item. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear comparisons like this.